Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, and welcome to episode number 9 in our Qasas and Nabiyeen guided reading series. As always, we will read the story, we will translate it, and we'll break down some of the grammatical concepts and vocabularies used therein. If this is your first time joining us, please feel free to click on the playlist above and peruse any other videos that we have either in this series or on the channel whenever you wish, inshallah. But before we proceed, Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah amma ba'd. Lesson number 9. Rabbi Allah. My Rabb is Allah. Rabbi Allahu means my Lord is Allah. Let's break this construction down. So we have Rabbi, and then we have Lafzul Jalala, Rabbi Allah. So we say Rabbi Allah because we have a sakin here, and we have a sakin here, and because of iltiqa as-sakinain, because there's two sakins coming together, we make the ya in the word Rabbi maftuh. So Rabbi Allah. وعرف إبراهيم أن الله ربه. وعرف إبراهيم أن الله ربه. وعرف إبراهيم, and Ibrahim عليه الصلاة والسلام knew أن الله ربه, that Allah عز وجل is his Rabb. So عرف يعرف means to know. عرف يعرف. عرف يعرف is the mudari'. It means to know. It is usually followed by anna, yani knowing that. So Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam knew that Allah Rabbuhu. So the lafzul jalala is mansoob because it is maf'ul bihi of arafa. Now you may be wondering why I said lafzul jalala. For those of you who are not familiar with this, in grammatical constructions or in breakdown or analysis of sentences, for the name of Allah we say lafzul jalala, Rabbuh. And Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam knew that Allah azza wa jal is his Lord. لأن الله حي لا يموت. لأن الله حي لا يموت. لأن الله, because Allah azza wa jal is حي, he is the ever living. لا يموت, he does not die. مات يموت means to die. مات يموت موتا means to die. So لأن الله حي لا يموت, because Allah عز وجل is ever living, he does not die. وأن الله باق لا يغيب. وأن الله باق لا يغيب, and that Allah عز وجل is باق. Allah عز وجل remains. بقي يبقى means to remain. So now you may be wondering, why is it baqin? This is because baqiya yabqa, the root letters are ba, qaf, ya. It ends in a ya, which is a harf illa. It's a weak letter. This means it is fi'l naqis, it is a defective verb. And baqin is ism fa'il. An ism fa'il of naqis verbs, of defective verbs, usually ends up being like this. As I mentioned, this is a guided reading. It's not a nahu lesson or a sarf lesson, so we won't go too much into detail. We will just do a rough breakdown, inshallah. But baqin is ism fa'il, and any fi'l naqis, any defective verb on ism fa'il takes this form, baqin. For another example we have is qada yaqdi, to judge or to spend time. That's why we have the ism fa'il is qadin. So a judge in Arabic is qadin. Now if you put alif lam of ta'rif on them, then it becomes al-baqi or al-qadi. So the judge in Arabic is al-qadi, which many of you may be familiar with. As I mentioned, this is not a grammar lesson, so if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and inshallah I will get back to you. But back to the story. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ بَاقٍ لَا يَغِيبُ. So Ibrahim alayhi as-salatu wasalam knew. We know it's new because here, عرفة. So Ibrahim alayhi as-salatu wasalam knew that Allah Azza wa Jal remains. لا يغيب. لا يغيب. He does not disappear. غاب يغيب means to disappear. This word in particular has many masadir such as غيب, غيبة, غيبوبة, غياب. وأن الله قوي لا يغلبه شيء. وأن الله قوي. And Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam knew that Allah Azza wa Jal is قوي. قوي means powerful. لا يغلبه شيء. Nothing overpowers him. غلب يغلب means to overpower. And the ha here is ضمير. The ha here is ضمير. لا يغلبه شيء. Nothing overpowers him. وعرف إبراهيم أن الله رب الكوكب. And Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam knew that Allah Azza wa Jal is Rabbul Kawkab. He is the Lord of the star. Kawkab means star. And in modern standard Arabic, it can often be used to mean planet as well. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ رَبُّ الْقَمَرِ. And that Allah Azza wa Jal is Rabb of Qamar. Al-Qamar is the moon. So Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam knew that Allah Azza wa Jal is Rabb of the moon. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ رَبُّ الشَّمْسِ. Ash-Shams is the sun. And he knew that Allah Azza wa Jal is the Lord of the sun. وَأَنَّ اللَّهَ رَبُّ الْعَالَمِينَ. And he knew that Allah Azza wa Jal is Rabbul Alameen, Lord of the universes. Alam equals universe. And its plural is alamun. So now you may be wondering, why is it ala mean? That is because this is a sound masculine plural, and in this case Rabbul Alameen is a idafa construction. So al-alameen in this instance is majroor because it is mudaf ilayh, so it will not be alamun, it will be alameen. Once again, as I mentioned, this is not a grammar lesson, so if you didn't understand, I wouldn't worry too much about it. As always, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help, inshallah. وَهَدَى اللَّهُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَجَعَلَهُ نَبِيًّا وَخَلِيلًا. وَهَدَى اللَّهُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. And Allah Azza wa Jal guided Ibrahim. وَجَعَلَهُ نَبِيًّا وَخَلِيلًا. وَجَعَلَهُ and made him a nabi and a friend. وَهَدَى اللَّهُ. Hada yahdi means to guide. Hada yahdi means to guide. وَجَعَلَهُ جَعَلَ يَجَعَلُ means to make. Who here is a ضمير. It is اسم مفعول referring to Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam. نبيًا is another مفعول به. وخليلا. نبيًا, Nabi means prophet. نبيًا is mansub because it is also مفعول به of جعله. وخليلا, and khalilan is also maf'ul, and there's a waw which is harf atifa. So وَهَدَى اللَّهُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ وَجَعَلَهُ نَبِيًّا وَخَلِيلًا. And Allah Azza wa Jal guided Ibrahim and he made him a nabi and a friend. وَأَمَرَ اللَّهُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ أَن يَدْعُوَ قَوْمَهُ وَيَمْنَعَهُمْ مِنْ عِبَادَةِ الْأَصْنَامِ. وَأَمَرَ اللَّهُ إِبْرَاهِيمَ. And Allah Azza wa Jal ordered Ibrahim. Amara ya'muru means to order or to command. And Allah Azza wa Jal commanded Ibrahim an yad'uwa qawmah, to call his people. Wa yamna'ahum min ibadat al-asnam, and to stop them. Min, from ibadat al-asnam, from idol worship. So da'a, yad'u, da'watan, or du'a means to call. For example, we make du'a to Allah Azza wa Jal, we ask Allah. Wa amara Allahu Ibrahim, and Allah Azza wa Jal commanded Ibrahim alayhi as-salatu wasalam that he calls his people. So in other words, Allah Azza wa Jal commanded Ibrahim alayhi as-salatu wasalam to give da'wah to his people, to call, to invite them to Islam. Wa yamna'ahum, and to stop them. Min means from, ibadatil asnam. Ibadah means worship, al-asnam is the idols. So wa amara Allahu Ibrahim, so and Allah Azza wa Jal commanded Ibrahim that he calls his people to Islam. Wa yamna'ahum min ibadatil asnam, and stop them from idol worship. You may be wondering now, why is yad'uwa and yamna'ahum mansub? This is because of an. An is harf nasibah. It makes أفعال المضارعة يعني فعل مضارع منصوب. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. And as per usual, if you have any comments or questions, please feel free to let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as possible, inshallah. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos, and also don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. But that's it from me. Take care, and I'll see you on the other side. Ma'as salama.